What I have learned in the last few years with my greenhouses, the most important things, of course, are going to be your heat source. And I learned my first year, I did a propane heater. And I did that because we had, the year before, we'd had an ice storm and the electric was out for about a week. And so if I'd been in that situation, I wouldn't have had a backup source and I would have lost, everything in that temperature. And so I had the propane heat for that reason. And the first year, we had a cold snap that was in the teens, and so I left my greenhouse closed up with the heat and realized in a few days my plants were not looking that great. And so they don't like the propane for a long period of time enclosed. You have to have really good ventilation. And so that is something, I still have a propane heater. I use it for backup, and I have space heaters that are the oil-filled heaters. And I use those for my main source, but it's still so important to have ventilation. And I would probably say that is just equal to the heat.